Hello everyone, welcome to Solve classes. This is Tushar Shaw, and in this video we will be continuing to solve the GATE 2021 CY paper that we were solving since the last 7 videos. Okay, so in the last video we did up till question number 14, that is we completed the MCQ 1 mark question type set. Okay, so in from this video onwards we will be having, like, from question number 15 to question number 18 we have MSQ type question for 1 mark each, and there would be no negative marking. Okay, no negative marking. I have already explained you in the first video of this set about how to attempt the MSQ and the NAT type question so that you may obtain as much marks as possible. Okay, so let us without wasting any time, so let us dig into the questions. Okay, so the question number 15 says a phase diagram is given. Okay, so let me just draw the phase diagram for you. It is a kind of an easy one. So this drawing is given. We have pressure over here. We have temperature over here. So firstly things are moving like this, and then one move is like this. Okay, so this is the liquid state, this is the gas state, and this is the solid state. Okay, this point is Tc. Okay, so yeah, so this is the exact statement that is given. Okay, so it's the option says that let's look at the option. So the option firstly says that above looking at the first option, it says above Tc it does not exist in liquid state. Okay, so above Tc, so obviously at temperature, like if you are taking this temperature as Tc, so above temperature Tc, that is in this point, it can still like exist in liquid state at some certain pressure. Okay, so the first statement is incorrect. Okay, moving on to the next statement that is given at Tc all three states, they all three phases can exist. So obviously that is the exact definition of what Tc is, that is the critical point. Okay, so at the critical point all three phases exist simultaneously. All three phases exist simultaneously. Okay, so this one is the correct option. Option B is correct. Option C says that below Tc it does not exist in liquid state. Okay, so below Tc, so at a temperature below Tc, where's the pointer? Yeah, so below Tc, so let us take this temperature. So below Tc, if we increase the pressure, we will not be getting any liquid as the point, because from directly solid we have gases, we will be getting solid. Okay, so this statement is also correct. And option D says that above T1 it does not exist at solid state. Okay, so T1 is the point I forgot to draw. T1 is this point. So above T1, okay, so above T1, that is, let us take with this point only. Okay, this one. So at this temperature, if we increase the pressure, we'll be getting a solid phase, but this statement says that it does not exist in solid state. So therefore this statement is incorrect. Okay, so the options that are correct in this case are option B and option C. These are the correct options. Would be fetching you full marks. Okay, so let us move on to the next question. So the next question says that acceptable wave functions for a quantum particle must be. Okay, this is question number 16. Acceptable wave function for a quantum particle must be. The characteristics of acceptable wave function is like asked. Wave functions must be option A says odd, option B says just a second. So odd, option B says even, option C says single valued. Okay, and option D says continuous. So obviously the wave function being odd or even doesn't matter. If it is like a be it odd, be it even, it will be acceptable. Okay, the wave function must be single value to be acceptable, and the wave function obviously must be continuous and derivable at the at the range that is given. Okay, so as following these conditions, the wave function will be acceptable. So in this case, all of the options are correct. Okay, so option A, B, C, D, all of them are correct. Like even if you don't know the answer, this question is divided in such a manner that even if you don't know the answer, just hypothetically you take all the questions, you take all the options, and attempt the question that way, you will be getting a full marks for that. Okay. Many a times when competitive exams, your luck is also required for helping you get a good rank. Okay, this being a proper example. So moving on to question number 17. So question number 17 says that the characters of E characters of, so this is a question from group theory. Okay, one of the most hated chapters ever that existed in chemistry, that is group chemistry, group theory. So we have to write the irreducible representation of C2V. Okay, so let me just draw the table for you. So the headings would be E, C2, sigma V, and sigma star V. Okay, so the values will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, then 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, then 1 minus 1 minus 1, 1, and 1, 1 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, this will be the exact irreducible representation of the C2V compound. Okay, so now we have to match that which of the following operations, symmetry operations are given in the question. So in the first option has, option A has 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, incorrect. There you can see that no such operation has 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, be it uh, on the horizontal plane or in the vertical plane. Okay, option B has 1 minus 1 1 minus 1. So this has a sign, line 2 has this one, so this would be the correct option. Option C has 1 1 1 1. Option line 1 has this option, so this option is also correct. Okay, and option D has minus 1 1 1 minus 1. Now this is not consisted in any of the options. Okay, so this option is incorrect. So the options which are correct and where that would get a fetch a full marks would be option B and C. Okay, option B and option C would be the correct option. Okay, so I guess that is it for this video. Obviously this video is kind of short one, so let us keep it that way. The next video will be long enough, so let us end this video here. Okay, only one question is then left in the MCQ type MSQ type question, and then we'll be moving on to the 1 mark NAT type question. Okay, so thank you guys for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.